This 50-calorie cherry cake is super light and fluffy despite having no flour or butter. To make it, you will need to whisk 2 eggs and add some skimmed milk, protein powder, psyllium husk and sweetener. Spray a baking dish lightly and cover the bottom with pitted cherries or another fruit. Pour the batter over the cherries and sprinkle chopped raw nuts on top. Bake it in the oven until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Slice and enjoy. If you like this recipe, why not subscribe so you don't miss future uploads? Thanks for watching.